Richie, and today I'm showing you guys kind of like a little part 2 of a crochet braiding, thing, but I have a little length this time. I got more to work with, look at that. Like, what? Rubber bands ain't popping this time, okay? This time it's not going to be as stressful. We're going to be having to, I'm showing you I already got one done. Okay, last time the problem was one. And look at that. Look at that. Okay, I just had to show y'all a quick little thing of me successfully doing it this time. And you already know I'm going to give y'all an example. I had the pigtails spool in and stuff. So I'm going to show y'all right now. I got my hair. I got the crochet hook. I'm going to put that in. Boom. Ooh, that thing be hurting. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it the first time. Grab it, wrap it on your finger, and just make sure you hook all that hair under. Right? All of it. Boom. And then close that little hatch or latch. Close it, and then you just pull that thing through, honey. And then you sit there and you have a moment of peace because you're like, oh my goodness, we done did it. But yeah, so just wanted to show you guys. And then you have your, your little loop, your little circle. So then you pull out one side. You try your best to try to pull out one side, because it ain't over. It still could go wrong, shoot. But yeah, so pull out one side, hair a little straggled up, but it's okay. And then, yes, you got your freaking braid. So then I got some gel, and I'm about to show you guys how I braid it. And yeah, get a little bit, get my little hair that's sticking up. Make sure I try to blend that as best as I can. And if you guys did see, little hair sticking up and stuff, like I'd go back in and I wanted to fix those to make sure it looked nice and presentable. I'm sitting over here trying to fix my baby ears. Like, girl. Oh my girl. Can you get to the daggone video, please? See, I be watching myself like, girl, if you don't get to the little tut, the T-U-T, at this point, it's like, what you doing? I'm not even showing y'all that daggone thing. Am I gonna snap out of it, or? Oh my gosh. Don't worry, I'll wait. Cat Williams voice. Alright, Alexis girl. Richie. Right, like, get out of that. Okay, so we, separate in 3 pieces. I really said that way. We said, we gotta separate the 3 pieces nicely and patiently, because you all know how Kanakalan hair can be and all of that expression and stuff. Just nice and calm, yes. And then we're gonna grab one piece, and then we're gonna grab the other, and then we're gonna grab the other, and then we're gonna smooth that thing out so we ain't freaking bugging, and then we're gonna grab another, and then we're gonna start to freaking braid that thing. Start to freaking braid it. I'm looking at YouTube. Start to freaking braid. Start a freaking braid. I'm trying to make sure my hair is nicely in there. And then you start that braid up nicely. And then you can see it's locked down. Ain't going no freaking where. And you could tell it's nice and tight. Like, look at them parts. I'm actually kind of proud of myself. Like, I was like, yo, I need to show y'all from the progression. So, yeah, I'm just showing you guys, like, how easy it is now for me. I'm growing my hair out and stuff, I know I always say that, but I mean, yeah. I didn't really want to speed this up because I really just wanted to show you guys like in real time how it went. But yes. But yes, this is probably like a week after, I will not lie. I wanted to show you guys how I was kind of rocking it after it got a little messy. Baby hair is kind of messy or whatever, but I personally think it looks so cute, like messed up and cute and stuff. But thank you guys so much.